Hi friends, welcome back to Indian IQ Study Point. In this video, we are discussing famous sites in the world. Coming to the first famous site, Bastille Prison. It is located in Paris, which is in France. It was built in 1380s and it was destroyed in 1790s. French Revolution was started from this prison. Coming to the next famous site, Brandenburg Gate. It is located in Berlin, which is in Germany. It is a national symbol of peace and unity for Germany. Coming to the next site, Big Ben. It is located in London. It is a tower clock and famous for its accuracy and for its massive hour bell. Coming to the next famous site, Broadway. Broadway is located in New York and it is famous for American theater industry. Broadway's most important attraction is Times Square. Coming to the next famous site, Buckingham Palace. It is located in London, which is in Britain. Coming to the next famous site, Colosseum. Colosseum is an amphitheater which is located in Rome. It is the largest ancient amphitheater and largest standing amphitheater in the world. Coming to the next site, Downing Street. Downing Street is 200 meters long street in the city of Westminster. It was built in 1680s by George Downing. The Prime Minister's official residency is located in 10 Downing Street. Coming to the next famous site, Eiffel Tower, which is located in Paris and it is named for the honor of Gustave Eiffel, whose company designed and built the tower. Coming to the next famous site, the Empire State Building. It is located in New York City, which is in USA. It is a skyscraper in New York City. It was built from 1930 to 1931. Coming to the next famous site, Fleet Street. Fleet Street is a major street in London, which is in Britain. The street is famous for printing and publishing. Most British national newspapers operated from here only. Coming to the next famous site, Grand Canyon. It is located in Arizona, which is in USA. Coming to the next famous site, Hyde Park. Hyde Park is Great Park which is located in London and it is famous for being the largest park in the Central Park and the Royal Parks of London. Coming to the next famous site, Jodrell Bank. And this bank is located in University of Manchester, which is in UK. This place is famous for radio telescopes. It was established in 1945 to investigate cosmic rays. Coming to the next famous site, Kaaba. Kaaba is located in Makkah, which is in Saudi Arabia. Kaaba meaning in Arabic is cube. It is the holistic place for Muslims. Coming to the next famous site, Grand Kremlin. It is located in Moscow, which is in Russia. Grand Kremlin Palace is museum and also it is a residence of the Russian president in ancient days. Coming to the next famous site, the Leaning Tower of Pisa and also called as Tower of Pisa. It is freestanding bell tower. It is located in Pisa, which is in Italy. It's known worldwide for its nearly 4 degrees lean. Coming to the next famous site, Louvre. Louvre is located in Paris, which is in France. It is a royal palace in Paris. After 2 centuries as a royal palace, the Louvre is opened as a public museum in Paris by the French government. Today, the Louvre's collection is one of the richest in the world. with artwork and artifacts about human civilization and culture. Coming to the next site, Merdeka Palace. This is located in central Jakarta, which is in Indonesia. It is one of 6 presidential palaces in Indonesia. It is used as the official residency of the President of Indonesia. Coming to the next famous site, the Pentagon. The Pentagon building is located in Washington, which is in USA. The Pentagon is the headquarters building of the United States Department of Defense. Coming to the next famous site, Potala. Potala Palace is located in Lhasa City, which is in China. It was the winter palace of the Dalai Lamas from 1649 to 1959 and has been a World Heritage Site since 1994. Coming to the next famous site, Red Square. It is located in Moscow, which is in Russia. It is one of the oldest and largest squares in Russia and Europe continent. It has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1990. This is a famous trading center in ancient days. Coming to the next famous site, Pyramids. Pyramids are located in Egypt. There are about 118 pyramids identified till date in Egypt. The earliest Egyptian pyramids are found at Saqqara. Coming to the next famous site, Scotland Yard. It is located in London and it is headquarters building of the Metropolitan Police. Coming to the next famous site, Shwedagon. It is located in Yangon, which is in Myanmar. It is Golden Dagon Pagoda and also known as the Great Dagon Pagoda. Coming to the next famous site, Sphinx. Is located in Egypt. It is also known as Sphinx of Giza. It is a creature with the body of a lion and the head of a human made with limestone. Coming to the next famous site, Statue of Liberty. It is located in New York City, which is in USA. The statue is gifted by people of France to the people of US and it was designed by Frederick Auguste and its metal framework was built by Gustave Eiffel. The statue was dedicated on October 28, 1886. Coming to the next famous site, Vatican City. It is located within Rome, which is in Italy. It is the smallest country in the world by both area and population. Coming to the next famous site, Wall Street. Wall Street is an 8-block long street in New York City. Wall Street is famous for financial markets of the United States. Most of the American financial services industries operated from here only. Coming to the next famous site, the Wailing Wall, and this is also called as Western Wall, and it is located in Jerusalem. In Islam, it is known as the Barak Wall. It is an ancient limestone wall in the old city of Jerusalem. Coming to the next famous site, Wembley. Wembley Stadium is located in London. It is a football stadium. It is opened in 2007 and Wembley Stadium is the largest stadium in UK and the second largest stadium in Europe. Coming to the next famous site, White House. White House is located in Washington, D.C., which is in USA. The White House is the official residence and workplace of the President of the United States. It is using as a President House since 1800. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon to get quick notifications. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe.